We hit the jackpot for beauty enthusiasts on this episode of Vibe Check. We do a deep dive into some of the most expensive beauty treatments that celebrities swear by. But before that, the ombre lip trend is back on the beauty radar of some of your favorite celebrities, and we show you a simple hack for how to get the look using your usual makeup products. Ombre lips have been around for a while, but this past year it's come back bigger and better. For the unversed, ombre means shade or shadow in French. For hair color or lipstick, it's about achieving a dramatic two or multi-toned effect when one layer is typically darker than the other. But unlike most beauty trends, you don't need to be a pro to ace this with confidence. After cleaning and applying lip balm, cover your lips with a concealer to create an even canvas. Use a dark lip liner or lipstick to line your lips and then fill it in from the sides and halfway through. Fill in the middle with a lighter shade and go over it with a shade lighter than that. Then add concealer in the middle and blend the colors wherever needed using a lip brush, and there you have it. Bigger, bolder, better ombre lips with just that bit of extra to earn its well-deserved comeback this year. Celebrities dole out thousands for luxurious products and treatments that help them look camera-ready 24/7. Here are some of the most expensive beauty treatments that Hollywood and Bollywood royalty have known to indulge in. Celebrities often splurge on beauty treatments for something even as basic as a haircut. But for a particularly unorthodox beauty treatment like Kim Kardashian's vampire facial, where you guessed it right, her blood is used to give her that youthful looking skin. The cost can jump to Rs 1.5 lakh per session. To get that 24-karat magic on their faces, celebrities like Priyanka Chopra and Irina Shayk have reportedly received gold facials, and those can cost anywhere between 40 to 50,000 rupees depending on the fluctuating gold rates to achieve that sun-kissed glow through the day. Unsurprisingly, sporting legends like Serena Williams indulge in treatments to help keep their body in peak form, and the Evian experience is one of them. Arguably the world's most expensive bath, the experience includes spa treatments and a bathing suite filled with 1,000 liters of Evian spring water that can cost up to Rs 5 lakhs per session. Well, that's a wrap. We'll be back next week with more lifestyle updates.